Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhum have reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this connection. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, "Who is the most respectable amongst the people?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The most righteous amongst them." They submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are not asking about it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then the most respectable is Hazrat Yusuf Joseph alayhi salam, who is Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Prophet, the son of Hazrat Khalilullah, Allah's friend." They submitted, "We are not asking you about it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then you are asking me about the Arab tribes." They submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The tribe that was best in them in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance is the best in Islam, provided they should comprehend the religious knowledge." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3374.